This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The following procedure applies to the most common or basic cooling system servicing procedure and does not show removing the block drain plugs. Apply the parking brake and block the wheels. Wait until the engine is completely cool before beginning this procedure. Draining. On this model, there is no radiator drain fitting to drain the coolant. The coolant is drained by disconnecting the radiator hose connected at the bottom of the radiator. Move a large container under the lower radiator hose to catch the coolant. Drain the coolant by loosening the hose clamp on the lower radiator hose. Separate the hose from the radiator, then allow the coolant to drain out into the pan. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Reconnect the hose to the radiator and tighten the clamp securely. Flushing. Place the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position. Remove the radiator cap, located behind the grille and under the plastic front engine cover on the right front side of the engine, and fill the cooling system with clean water. Add fresh water to the radiator until it's visible in the filler neck. Install the radiator cap. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature, then rev up the engine a few times. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool completely, then drain the system as described earlier. Repeat the process of refilling with clean water, running the engine, and draining until the water being drained is free of contaminants. Refilling. With the radiator hose and clamp connected at the bottom of the radiator, and the heater temperature control in the maximum heat position, slowly add new coolant mixture to the radiator until it's visible in the filler neck. Install the cap and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens, long enough for the cooling fan to cycle on and off twice. Turn the engine off and let it cool. Using caution, slowly open the radiator cap and add more coolant mixture if necessary to bring the level up into the filler neck. Also add coolant mixture to the coolant reservoir until it is a ½ inch above the cold fill mark. Keep a close watch on the coolant level and the various cooling system hoses during the first few miles of driving and check for any coolant leaks. Make sure the hose clamps are tight and add more coolant mixture as necessary.